Okay, so I'm just going to run through installing your QuenMech note reader or cashless system, in this case NIAX. So I have removed the note reader to get to the cashless system itself. Obviously these are installed at the time of receiving your machine, but in the case of needing to swap it out or replace the part, just showing you how to do all that. So firstly, that's the NIAX unit itself there. So that is the antenna connection. So you can remove that, and the antenna connection just goes in through there. That just pops out, and the SIM card just sits inside there as well. So if you are replacing the SIM, it's just a matter of removing this plastic shroud, popping that off, and changing the SIM over. But putting it on is just as simple as inserting that into the hole and putting on the 4 little nuts, which go on each of the lugs. I won't do all of them, but it's basically tie on all 4. From that point on, you have the yellow cable that comes from the NIAX unit. It simply plugs into the control board of the machine, so the female part of the yellow cable into there, into the male part of the control board cable, and from there you're able to insert the note reader, which basically again just gets placed right into the opening. And you simply just screw it on the 4 screws, which fit straight into those little holes there. Again, just in terms of speed, we won't do that right now, but from there you simply connect the QuenMech cable into the loom of the note reader, and then the other side of that goes onto the other end of the QuenMech. What you should never do is do that with the power on, as I just did there, so ensure you turn the power off before doing that. And so basically that's it. That's all you need to do to connect all that together. One last thing, obviously, just the DEX cable, plug straight in. Once that's done, just tuck it all away neatly. Normally we cable tie all that off and just put it into the side there, and all ready to go from there.